Michael Kusendorf says, Malia, why don't you write I love Lauren on the window, dash Michael. And she's doing it, so when Lauren pulls up, she'll see it right there. Oh, man. Oh, man. That is hilarious. Look at the look on her face, too. That is a priceless picture. That is a priceless picture. Come on. If this does not seal the deal, I don't know what will. I mean, this has been months in the making. She keeps putting them off, but I'm telling you, Michael is no quit. He knows what he wants, and she ain't gonna find anybody like Mike. Said if this doesn't seal the deal, what?
Oh, there's no hope.
There's no hope.
It's my Hail Mary.
This is Hail Mary. You saw it right there, folks.
Roll the credits.